Hello, and welcome to another update video about AVAX. AVAX continues to be in kind of a sideways range that started when the price bottomed around the 20th of December. So we had a bit of a rally there, another dip, another rally without any breakout, and then we're back in the range. We're back to support. And overall, the support area hasn't changed in the last few weeks on this time frame here. It's still between $31.69 and $35.28. And overall, there's no strong confirmation that a lasting low has been established. Okay, so it's pretty weak reaction to support. We've fallen back to test support, yeah. Now, the yellow scenario suggests that a wave 4 already bottomed. That's not high probability. I mean, it's a 1-2 setup, but then this wave 2 here in yellow will be invalidated if there is a break below the red line. So should the market break below the beginning of a possible fifth wave up, well, clearly that's the invalidation point. I mean, the main takeaway is I'm not impressed by the yellow scenario. It just looks too weak, this fifth wave. I'm not impressed by the overall chart anyway, as you know. This is not a chart where I'm expecting new all-time highs. And the rally from the August low is also very choppy, only in 3 waves. The main takeaway is, yes, there is a very directly bullish, aggressive wave count as highlighted here in yellow, but I cannot confirm that wave 2 in yellow has bottomed, and it would not surprise me at all if the red line is broken. By the way, the red line is located at $33.50. And below that level, the price could still be working on a wider wave 4, with support at $31.69, which is very close to the invalidation point of the yellow count. So I'm not sure if it's going to hold $31.69 if the price invalidates the yellow count, but it's a possibility. We should mention it. We cannot ignore it. What I want to highlight, though, is that below $31.69, especially if there's a decisive and sustained break below this level, alternative interpretations have to come into play. Now, we could then think about maybe rather an A-B structure, which would be what I have to go with if the market breaks below $31.69. All that means is if we break below this support area, which kind of has been relevant for the last few weeks, it generated a response, yeah? But if we break below this support area, the next one I can offer is between $24.94 and $27.35. This would be for a deeper B wave. The market would have another opportunity to rally from there, but this would be weak support because support for a corrective pullback, yeah, in a B wave is always weak. B waves don't respect fib levels that well. So these are the 2 support areas to watch in the near term. It's also important to pay attention to the resistance area, which is unchanged since the last update. So micro resistance is located between $39 and $42.93. I really need to see a break above this resistance area in order to say that a third wave up has started. That's needed. At the moment, this here looks a little bit like a bearish flag, actually. And there is no confirmation that, a low is in. So we'll pay attention to the resistance area as we're heading into the new trading week and the invalidation point at $33.50. That's the update about AVAX. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.